Hello guys, welcome to our daily outlook analysis. Today we will analyze two pairs, that's USDJPY and EURUSD, and I'm going to show you the best entry to use. Already I'm in this trade already. That is USDJPY. I analyzed this early this morning. So our analysis is going to be intraday. If you want the daily outlook, you can click on the link above to watch the daily outlook. Now on 4-hour time frame, we can see that this market has been downtrend and it related to a demand region. Okay, this is a demand area or a support level, and this market went up. So this is where this opportunity presented itself. So now how will you approach this kind of opportunity? Because I know the markets will be around this demand zone very soon. So how will you approach this opportunity? First, you have to look at the time frame. I'm using 4-hour time frame because this intraday, I'm interested in today's move. Okay, so the next thing to do is to move to 1-hour time frame. So we can see that this supply region, the market reacted to it and it started falling, but you can see you can't really enter from 1-hour time frame. Your risk to reward ratio will not be nice. Okay, it will not be good. So the best thing to do is to move to 5-minute time frame. Exactly, this is how I take my trades. Okay, and you have to pay attention to this. Now we can see on lower time frame that this market has been an uptrend. Okay, it has been an uptrend. So, and this is our area of interest. This is the supply region. Our eyes will be on this demand region. Will the price break the resistance? I mean supply region. This is a supply region. Now the question, our eyes will be on this supply region. Now the question is, will the market break this supply region and go up, or will it come down? Now if you look at this, like I told you guys, on the lower time frame, on the higher time frame, 4-hour time frame, we have our level marked out. This is one of the most important level for us because this is a supply region and the market has several times tested this region and fall back to this support level demand area. Now on 15-minute time frame, I know already what I'm looking for here is the market to start falling. Now the question is, where will you start selling from? And like I told you, you want to use 1-hour time frame, you can use 15, but I prefer 5 minutes so that the risk to reward ratio can be good. So the next thing to do is to mark your structures. So if I decided to mark this structure here on the 5-minute time frame, we can see this is a structure. This is a higher low, this is another higher low, this is the last higher low, and what I will be looking for is the market to break this the last higher low. And what it's telling me is that sellers are coming to the market already, so I should be getting ready to buy. So as a trader already, like I told you guys, I started this analysis from 4-hour time frame, which is higher time frame, and I'm using 5-minute time frame for my entry. Now what you would do is, one technique you have to understand is the retest technique. Some people call it a good final goodbye or last kiss. Normally how I place my trade is I will mark this last higher low, and I will be waiting for the market to break the last higher low to close below it. Let it be breakout, let it close below this. Then what I will do is I will have my sell limit order around 155.640. That's what I will do. So if I have my order there, we can see that the market came down to this former structure, went and picked my order. So this is how it will look like. So this is where I want to enter this market, but like I told you, you have to wait for the market to close below this. So you place your, this is my entry, then your stop loss have to be above this. You have to give it a considerable distance from where this double top, we have this double top here. Okay, it has to be above it. And now the next question is, if you set your stop loss, where will your take profit be? Now your take profit should be on the higher time frame, like 4-hour time frame that we started using for the analysis. So I will drag this here to this area. So you can see, look at the risk to reward ratio 1 to 5, which is excellent. Meaning if I'm risking $1, I should be able to make $2, which is fine. Now this is how we initiated this trade. Now if this market comes to this place, this is a demand region, it might go up the same way you will approach this market. Let's go there. Now if I move to 5-minute time frame, sorry, I have to remove all that, you will see that this will be a downtrend. Okay, it will be a downtrend, and the best thing to do is to mark the structure like we did earlier. And in this case, I will mark the lower highs. Okay, because if the market closes above this last lower high, I will enter this market. So what I would do is let me show you guys what I will do, because I will enter from when the market comes back to this. Okay, so like I told you guys, if the market breaks this structure here, if it breaks this structure here, you have to wait till it close above this, because this is the, I know it will test this before coming back here. So you use that opportunity of market coming back here to enter this market. Okay, but for now our attention is on the market coming down to this level here. The same thing happened around this area. Now if you look at 4-hour time frame, let's mark this side. Let's see the same strategy. So if you want to trade USDJPY and EURUSD, I want you to use the same strategy. It's very effective. So now if I move to 5-minute time frame, sorry, I have to look for, now look at 1-hour time frame. Then I have to move to 5-minute time frame. Sorry guys, I have to locate the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, so guys, this is okay, this is the 5-minute time frame. Now this market has been a kind of uptrend heading to this area. So what you do is you wait for a major structure to be taken out. Like me, I will, this is a major structure here, I'll mark this area. So I will leave the market to a kind of go down. Then like I said, you should give it a considerable, your stop loss should be far above this structure here. So you can see the market came back and started going down. Okay, so this is the opportunity we use. And at times, if you want this, you have to wait for the market to come back and close this before you use this approach for the market. So this is how we can trade USD JPY. And what we did, we use a 4-hour time frame and we make use of this supply region. But overall, the market is downtrend. Like I said, if it comes to this support, you can trade, but I would not advise you to take it, because buying against the trend might not be good for you. So now let's look at Euro USD. Why I want us to analyze Euro USD is because of this gap in what happened during the weekend. Now if you watch our weekly outlook, last week we mentioned of market breaking the structure and coming back to test it. Okay, that's our basis for trading the Euro USD last week. And we can see the kind of candlestick last week Monday gave us, and the market went bearish. So if you watched my weekly outlook last week, at least you should make some money from Euro USD. Now my point of interest today is this gap in. It happens during the weekend when high impact news hits the market during the weekend. You can see this, but one thing you have to know is that if it happens, market will always go back to fill this gap. That's what I want you guys to understand. So this is daily time frame. This our interest is on 4-hour time frame, like we said. So this is a strong demand region, and we can see the way the market came tap into this. Now if you look at this 4-hour candlestick, it has been bullish since morning. Now let's go to 15-minute time frame. Now if you check 15-minute time frame, some structures has been broken, and like I told you guys, is coming back here to fill this gap. Definitely most times is to come back here to fill this gap. So trading Euro USD today, I mean it might not be okay until the market fill this gap. And guys, I'm going to show you how to trade this if it feels so. We have to wait until it get this place, then I'll make a video on how you can approach this. So for now, you just have to wait and see how the market will react to this. So if you find this insightful and valuable, please subscribe, because we do this kind of analysis on the 3 times or 4 times in a week, depends, so that you can have access to the videos. Thank you and have a lovely day.